Hi everyone, in today's video we are gonna test this TP300 thermometer thermostat. It is used for food and beverages, and basically it has three buttons. It's not rocket science. If you press the on off, it will turn on. It uses an LR44 battery. You can even hold the temperature if it works properly. By pressing the hold button, then it will keep it. And you can change from Celsius to Fahrenheit. And basically you can measure with this one a boiling water, if it works properly. And you can see that the temperature is rising. I will still keep here for a couple of seconds. So as you see, it's very simple, very cheap, and not always working, but at least you paid the price for it.